I have a new project out here in the shop. This used to sit over here on the other side of the truck over there by the wall. But I opened it up today to put some Pepsi and stuff in there, and I saw that the freezer was all iced up. This is an old, I think 1948, 950, something like that. The model is, or the brand I guess, is called Tru Cold. It says right here. Back at starting the repair process of this door of this old refrigerator. It's got a long way to go, but as you can see, I've got this process started. The cleanup really started on this inside liner of the door. It's in almost perfect condition, but the seal around the perimeter was in really bad shape. And to get the seal off, you have to take that liner off. And in taking that liner off, you're dealing with about 70-year-old plastic, and those screws over time have cracked that plastic around the screw heads. So it's added to the process, and I'll show you over here. This is the liner on the inside, and I've done very little to this side of it. But it came off looking almost like this. But what really is the problem is how all these screw holes, especially around these corners, you can see these different ones, this plastic was cracked, and as I clean it, they just fall off. So I'm going to end up trying to figure out a way to either super glue or plastic weld these pieces back on. I don't know if plastic weld will work on this because it's such old plastic and it's got some rust from them screws. But I've got just a bunch of these pieces that have come off. As I'm going around the perimeter and cleaning this, you can see this has all been cleaned. And over here I'm getting into more of these breakout pieces. And then here's some area that hasn't been cleaned. So really what I'm forced to do in this situation when I clean this is just go real slow. This is definitely a situation where slow is good, because the more aggressive I get, the more those pieces crack and fall out. This stuff is just years and years and years of grime, dirt, whatever that's been accumulated underneath that seal. So it comes off, especially once it's moist. With I'm using these Clorox wipes, citrus kind of smell to them, but they clean really well. It's just a matter of going slow so that I don't break off any more pieces. This corner is in bad shape. It's got 3 screw holes, and all of them are blown out from probably just years and years and years of the opening and closing of that refrigerator, the freeze and cold cycles, and this being the top area gets up where that freezer is. So getting it all cleaned up. The bottom side, as you can see in these pictures in the slides that I took some still shots to add in here, will show you the other side, how dirty, and it actually had kind of a black mold stuff growing in it, I think, but I completely cleaned that, and you'll see that coming up here. So there's the process. Slow is good, and it gets me all the way around. I'll work my way around that other side and be done with the liner cleaning for now, and I'll start the repair process.